Aloha, welcome. Hello, my name is Edna Manumua, and this is my final project for ID 426. My topic was based on BYUH study room scheduler. In this video, I will explain my proposal, show my implemented architecture, and demonstrate my system working from beginning to the end. So, my original proposal was to build a simple online study room scheduler for BYU Hawaii. The goal was to let the student submit a booking for a study room and to let an admin check all the bookings and cancel any booking when needed. I wanted the system to be fast, secure, serverless, and easy to maintain using AWS Cloud services. This is my final implemented architectures. My system uses the following AWS services: an Amazon S3 to host my static website, an API gateway to receive the booking request, AWS Lambdas to process all logic, Dynamo database, all logic. Dynamo database was to store the booking data, Amazon SNS to send email notification to the admin, CloudWatch to track the logs and troubleshoot, and also an admin page which will connected to get and delete API routers. This architecture is fully serverless, which means it scales automatically and does not need to manage the server. So now I will demonstrate the full system. So here I am on my study room scheduler website hosted by S3. I will now fill out the booking. Let's start with a name. Let's say a name is Anne, and Longan, or Anne Law. Let's say a name is Anne Lofang. Her email, her school email would be Lofang. Let's say Lofang and BYUH. She will select any room of her choice for your study and then choose a date. The date will be, she can choose a date and also a time for her study. Also a phone number. Let's say the phone number and a student ID. Okay, now we're done with filling up the booking, and now I will click the submit booking. The form I now send my data to API gateway, then to Lambda. Lambda will now check if the data was input is a double booking, or is the person who's submitting is booking a same date, same time with a previous person already booking it, and it also saves the booking into Dynamo database, and then it will send an email alert through SNS to the admin. So I am the admin. Right now we see here that yes, the alert is come through to the admin showing that there's a person booking this room. Also, right now I am redirected to the thank you page, and here is the booking confirmation including the booking ID. So every person booking a room, they receive a special booking ID, so they must either take a picture of it or record it for futures, because if they reserve a room again, they were just input like the ID when it's sent to the SNS. It were like, oh, this is the same person with the ID to input the information. So the users can book another room. They can download the receipt here. Let's just cancel this one. Or just save. If you want this one, it will save. If you want to book another room, you can book another room. So let's go to AWS Dynamo database to see my table if it's recorded there. Okay. So let's refresh this one. Entry in the next page. Let's see. Okay, now we send an alpha, the person that we just input. So here in Dynamo database, we can see that the new booking was saved. So every booking has, if you click it, so every booking has booking ID, name, email, room, date, time for student IDs. Okay, so this confirms that the back end is working too. So you can just save it and save and close. Okay. The next thing I'm going to demonstrate is checking my admin booking page. Okay, so here in the thank you page, if you're the admin, you can check here on the admin book page. Now I will open my admin book page. So the admin page asks for a person, so I will enter my admin passwords, and the system should all load all the booking. Okay, so let's enter the password. Okay, log in. Okay, we should be. Let's refresh it. Okay, should be see right. Run. You see the taters is saved here. Okay. Refresh it. Okay, another file is here. From our end, we should refresh to see if refresh the bookings. Oh, should refresh it here. Okay. Let's see where I think why is another file is not here yet. In our end here, it's already says it's there. Let's shift it to 8. Oh, Anna. Yeah, this is Anna. I think it's already in here. Okay, yeah, see. Oh, my bad. I forgot that our booking ID is recorded. Okay, so we see here this is another file. So we see here the full list of bookings pull up from Dynamo TP using the get API route. So to cancel, if I were to cancel someone booking, let's say I will cancel John Smith, or we just cancel analog file, the one that we just booked. So now I will cancel analog file. When I click cancel, the browser will send this information, and if I'm agree, I will say okay. The browser will send a delete request through API, gateway, and Lambda removes the booking from Dynamo database. So if we refresh again, we will see, or you can just see now that analog file has been removed from here. So this shows that the admin system is working correctly. As you can see here, as I showed before, SMS email notification sent to the admin whenever a new booking is created. So a few changes I know that there's a few changes happening between my proposal and the final implementation. So I add a double booking protection using Tenable database filters. I also add a password pop-up for the admin page. I improve the core setting and the lambdas logics. I also add a full cat-entitled route for the admin. So in conclusion, these projects help me to learn how to design, build, and test a full serverless web applications in AWS. So thank you for watching my video. Have a good day.